Everything you've been told about staying healthy, eating frequently, never skipping meals, is actually keeping you sick. And what if the secret to unlocking energy, healing inflammation, and losing stubborn fat was as simple as not eating for 72 hours? Sounds extreme? Maybe. But today, I'll show you why stopping eating might be the most healing experience your body can go through. Because for people struggling with weight, fatigue, or chronic illness, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The myth that's making you sick. Let's clear up the biggest health myth out there. You don't get insulin resistance from not eating. You get it from eating too often. Every time you eat, even healthy snacks, you spike insulin. And when insulin is constantly high, your cells stop responding to it. This is insulin resistance, and it's behind obesity, diabetes, heart disease, even some cancers. That popular advice to eat 5 to 6 small meals a day, it's one of the biggest metabolic traps of our time. Constant feeding slows your metabolism, increases fat storage, and makes it nearly impossible to burn through body fat. Why fasting changes everything. Now, imagine going 16 to 18 hours without food. Insulin drops. Your body starts burning fat for fuel. Inflammation falls. Your brain gets cleaner energy from ketones. That's intermittent fasting. But what happens if we go further? 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours? That's when the transformation begins. At 24 hours, your liver's sugar stores are almost gone. You start flushing water weight, reducing bloating, and dropping inflammation fast. Cravings shrink, ketones rise. At 48 hours, you're fully in fat-burning mode. Your brain runs on ketones, premium fuel. Mood improves, energy climbs, inflammation continues dropping. And forget the myth that fasting burns muscle. Growth hormone can spike 2,000%, preserving lean tissue and melting fat. The 72-hour deep clean. At 72 hours, your body enters deep autophagy. This is the internal recycling system where your body clears out damaged cells, broken proteins, and even old immune cells. You may be clearing out viruses like Epstein-Barr, herpes, and other latent infections. There's no drug that does what a 72-hour fast can do. Your immune system resets, stem cells activate. It's like a biological reset button. Common fasting mistakes. To fast safely, drink water. Add sea salt, about 1 teaspoon per day. Include potassium and magnesium. Avoid bone broth or cheat drinks with calories. Fasting isn't eating less. It's not eating at all. But your electrolytes matter. Miss them, and you'll feel weak, dizzy, tired. How to break your fast. After 72 hours, your gut is delicate. Don't rush back into food, it can make you sick. Gentle is powerful here. The truth about fasting isn't starving. Starving is involuntary. Fasting is intentional, therapeutic, and deeply healing. Your body knows exactly what to do when you stop eating. It activates ancient survival systems that renew, protect, and restore you. You're not just losing weight. You're gaining energy, clarity, and health. The 72-hour fast isn't just a challenge. It's an invitation to reclaim your body and your power. So, are you ready to reset?